Modern home security means flexibility. The Ultralock U-Bolt Pro 6-in-1 Smart Deadbolt has features like 360-degree live fingerprint ID, phoneless entry for the ultimate flexibility, and keyless features like Auto Lock and Auto Unlock for when your hands are full. An anti-peep touchscreen that allows you to enter a security code embedded in a random group of numbers. The U-Bolt Pro is modern home security. A smart deadbolt built to make everyday life easier. Give visitors, like Airbnb guests, temporary access codes. And with the Ultralock Bridge Wi-Fi adapter, you can control it all remotely on the app. Receive notifications when your child gets home from school. Distribute e-keys to your friends and family. And the app lets you manage and view logs of who has entered. The Ultralock U-Bolt Pro is a simple and safe security solution. Your fingerprint is your key that cannot be copied, stolen, or forgotten. Dual data encryption with a coprocessor and dynamic key make every single data transfer secure. So you don't need to worry about someone hacking your door. And this peace of mind takes just minutes to install. With U-Bolt Pro, you will never get locked out or need a locksmith. Just use a backup key or an external battery if you missed the alerts. Bridget IFTTT integration syncs your U-Bolt Pro with the rest of your smart home. And use voice commands with your smart speaker.
Alexa, lock the front door.
U-Bolt Pro, the ultimate 6-in-1 smart deadbolt.
Hiding keys for guests? Now that's something we can bury forever. With a Yale Assure Lock connected by August, create virtual keys for people you trust. Grant access for a few hours, a few weeks, or forever. You decide. The Yale Assure Lock and levers come in various finishes to fit any style of door.
Here at Wyze, we take extreme pride in the products we make. And our latest piece of smart home wizardry? A lock. For locking stuff. Doors, mostly. From anywhere on the mother-loving planet. To create WyzeLock, we harvested fossilized brontosaurus balls and combined them with locally sourced sustainable belly hairs of unicorns to forge a mythical, indestructible alloy. A metal so strong it has no name. Okay, fine, it's aluminum. Each lock is created with exquisite precision. Read a bedtime story each night and then rocked to sleep by the furry bosom of Fernando, our in-house blacksmith. WyzeLock fits right over your existing hardware. It's like giving your lock a bionic arm. If you want to go on hiding metal keys under doormats and fake-looking hollow rocks, then go ahead. But with WyzeLock, your phone becomes your key. It unlocks automatically as you approach your door and then locks when the door closes. With its built-in gyroscope, it knows when your door is open or when it's closed because it's smart. It's so smart, when it's not locking your door, it's rewriting the last season of Game of Thrones with an appropriate balance of shock value and sensible character development. And if you're out roaming the motherland on top of the last of the great American bison and need to unlock your door for a fellow pilgrim, well, saddle up, open the app, and unlock that door like a Jim Bridger boss. Because who cares if your ancestors crossed the plains and had to draw water from a frozen well just to boil a cup of oatmeal? Sometimes you don't feel like standing up and walking across the room, and that's okay. WyzeLock. Now you're living in the future.